The following video is to show you how to calibrate your pixels within Image Pro Insight. I'm going to double left click on my icon and open up Image Pro Insight. Once it's opened, I'm going to close some of these startup windows. And now I'm going to go to this icon here and go to my folder and open up, let's say, 0.5x lens 3.0 zoom. I'm going to make this none initially. This is my active calibration, so let's check and see if any calibration has been applied. There's no calibration applied yet. So I'm going to create a calibration on this that we can recall. If I click on the small hand here, I'm going to put my cross line on the 7 and run it to the 14. This is going to be 0.5x-3.0 zoom. The distance here is going to be 7.0 millimeters. And again, that's a pull-down menu you can select. And I click OK. What this has done is it made it my active calibration. I go back and right-click on the image and go to Information and Properties. And there's my calibration. So now this is an image that has been calibrated and has been saved. And it now appears in this pull-down menu. I'm going to do one more. Let's open up and let's do this one, 0.5x, 1x. Again, each one of these small divisions is 1 millimeter. So I'm going to go up here, we'll right-click and see if there's a calibration on this image. There is not, because this says none. I'm going to click on the hand. I'm going to draw a line now. And go down to, let's say, 20 millimeters. So this one I'm now going to label as 1.0Z. And make this 20.0 and say OK. I'm going to save the image, save, and if I right-click on the image and go to Information, there's my calibration. So I'm going to close this. So now I'm going to open up a scale, an image that has not been calibrated yet. This image is my scale. And if you right-click on it, you'll see there's no calibrations currently. I'm going to first try to enhance this. So I click on the Adjust button, and I can probably raise gamma a little bit to make it a little bit brighter to see the geometries. Once I've done that, I'm going to go back to the Capture, and I'm going to select from the menu here at what magnification I took that at. Let's say I took it at 0.5x and 1z. If I've done that, if I right-click on the image and go here, we'll see that now the calibrations are applied, and I'm going to save the image. If, for instance, you have some calibrations that have been done and you want to delete them, that shouldn't be in the list, I double-click on this icon here. I'll do single-click. I'm going to, from the pull-down menu, looks like I duplicated this one, so I click on that and delete it. I'm going to take off the 60, which is deleted it, and so I have these here, which look all fine, and now I have a pull-down menu here. So when I've brought an image in, and I'm going to capture it, for instance, in Image Pro Insight with my camera software, I first want to select the active calibration. When the image gets captured, this will be applied. I'm going to end this video now.